What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix this Joi validation error. So when you try to send a request, as you can see, I'm getting no response from our Node.js server, and here is why. So Joi.validate type error is not a function. Okay, so what you should do now is just we need to change some basic structure of our schema here so that we are not getting this validate error. Why we are getting this? Because our version, our current version of Hapi Joi, this one Hapi Joi is like version 17. It doesn't want that function. It wants us to change some structure here. So when we go to our validation file here, so we just need to wrap this object using joy.object. I'm pretty sure if something like object, okay, inside our validation scheme here, then we wrap it inside here. Then after that, instead of returning joy.validate, we're going to just say schema.validate data only here. Then we format our document, then we save here. Then when we try to send again our request, as you can see, we get this response: confirm password required. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. This is how I fixed my validation error when sending post request using Joi at Hapi Joi validation. This is how we do it guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.